Yes, family. So, welcome back to Cooking with Chef Andre. Today, we're gonna be making some juicy patties. Nice, juicy patties. Yeah, so yummy, right? They look so yummy. Yeah, good. Soft, tender. Yeah, you name it. Patty have it, man. Trust me, it was so good. You see, look, so soft and tender, right? Yeah. Soft and tender, flaky. Look at the inside, yeah. All flaky, all crust and stuff. Crusty, cheesy. You name it, the patty of it. It was so good. Yeah, so we're gonna be making some today. Juicy, tender. Oh my god, look at that goodness. Yeah, so let's make them. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, and yeah. I know you will do. You will want to make some for yourself as well. So stick and stay, and let's get them done. For this step, you're gonna need 2 sticks of butter. Cut and cube butter and place in refrigerator to keep nice and cold. In a bowl, you're gonna add 5 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt. Now you're going to combine all these dry ingredients together. The butter that was placed in the refrigerator, you're gonna add it to this mixture. You're gonna knead it until it becomes crumbly. Add 1.5 cups of water to this mixture. You're going to gradually add the water. You're not going to put all at once. Gradually add the water and knead the dough. Knead it until it resembles this. On a flat surface, you want to cut your patty doughs into workable portion sizes. After doing so, you're going to wrap them in some plastic wraps and place them in the refrigerator. This will keep them firm and ready for the next process. To a heated pan, you are going to add 1 pound of ground beef. Cook beef until it starts to release its own juice and flavor. Next, you're going to add some green seasoning and herbs and spices. I'll leave full details of all these herbs and spices in the video description. Mix well, then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of meat sauce. To this, you're going to add 1 cup of water. Cover pot on low heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Now you're going to jump in with your stick blender, but if you don't have a stick blender, you can use a food processor and whisk away some of the chunkier parts of the beef. To this, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of flour and mix well. Cover and let it simmer for 5 minutes, and then your patty filling is ready. Dust your work surface with flour and begin rolling your patty dough. You want to continue adding flour to your work surface and also on your patty dough to prevent it from sticking. If you find that your dough is getting a bit too warm, you can fold it and put it back into the refrigerator. This will actually help to firm your dough. After rolling the dough, you want to roll it as thin as possible, and then you want to grate some butter to it. The butter, you must take the butter from the fridge, and actually the butter should be as cold as possible. This will actually help with the flakiness of the dough. Now you want to fold your dough and repeat the previous steps. The more you do this, the flakier your patty crust will be. Now you're going to go ahead and roll your dough as thin as you would want your patty crust to be. For me, I made mine as thin as this because this is the way I want my crust. I'm going to jump in with my trusted pot cover to cut my patty dough. You can use a cookie cutter or just about a plate or something else, but I'll use my pot cover for this process. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove all the excess dough. Make sure your patty filling is cool and not runny. Preferably, you want to keep it in the refrigerator. Add 3 tablespoons of patty filling to your crust. Fold and seal your patty with a fork. You want to use some flour to prevent your fork from sticking to your patty dough. You want to use your fork to punch some hole in just the top layer of your patty crust. This will prevent your patty from bursting when baking. Here I am also adding some cheese to my patty. This will make my patty nice and cheesy. Oh my god, if you never tried cheese patty before, trust me, you should do this. While making the patties, I'm adding them to a tray in the refrigerator. This will keep them nice and firm for the next process, which is baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Celsius. Bake your patties for 25 to 30 minutes. Now family, you tell me, look at these goodness. Oh my God, look at these goodness. Yes family, so we have come to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah man, and as them say in Jamaica, who beg nah get, and who no beg no want. So just jump on and make some patty, no man. Make some patty for yourself, and hope you enjoy the process of doing it, right? Yeah man, so I'll see you in another one.